Welcome to the Dorman Heavy Duty AC class.
School buses and cars for years. But if I can't fix it, it's all good to use for toilet paper. So what I try to do is make sure you can do.
I wanna really enforce that tag, because throughout the years, most of, especially trucks and fleets, all people know or think about when they add oil is pag. You really, I mean, there's a gazillion different weights of pag oil. You really, if anything, next time you do that oil, don't just call up, I need some pag oil, and take it for granted. You gotta make sure you're putting the right weight on. Because for years, since everybody's heard it, oh yeah, I use pag oil.
During our Dorman Heavy Duty class, they're doing a max certification. Look what a visual caught in our class.
Purchased this off Neutronics, the same kit that had R12 and 134A fittings in it. And we're going to put this on, leave it on 5 minutes.
So hook this up to the
And
high side.
the side it goes on
Is the high
side, the smaller line. As you can see, that bill is going on.
Now is at about 2.5, and that black
oh, yeah.
line that's on there is pretty much right at the ball level. So we're going to mark that level so that way if it drops, we know we could have sealant in the system.
And again, this is an important part. Bill's going to hang it on the hood.
Cool.
And as we're waiting a few minutes,
pretty much hovering right at that line. So that's telling us that there's no sealant in the system. If the ball drops down to the bottom in that amount of time, then we know there's sealant.
If you have sealant in the system, you use this air sealant guard that removes it. This is what we used in the class. Our next thing after that is to test for the purity of the air conditioned refrigerant. Notice here we have a problem. We got 134A, 41%, 9% R12, and 46% R22. That's a major problem.
But if you look at your gauges, it dropped down now. So we had two things happening.
Swede teaching his part of the AC class. We teamed together to teach this. And at the end, we say goodbye and thank you to everyone. Some great reviews and a great time by all. If you'd like to attend the Dorman Heavy Duty AC class, there'll be one coming up. Let us know, and we'll see you in the class. Thank you.